So Mathilda was originally Martha. Martha Witherington, she's born in 1769. Her parents own a drapery shop on Grafton Street. She's from that kind of middle class arena. Wolfe Tone and his pals are walking up Grafton Street one time and he spots her and he immediately falls in love. Finds out that her brother is in Trinity and inveigles his way into the family home, and that's how they get to meet each other. It's kind of love at first sight. And, well, you know the old cliche, behind every man is a great woman. But I don't see Mathilda and Theobald like this. I see them very much as equals. I found their humour to be very attractive, the great love they shared. Even though there's an ocean that separates them, you know, she's buried in New York, he's in Kildare, it's almost an indication of what their life was like. But, you know, she eventually brought them back together, even in death, by publishing that book,